There are many ways to move the needle on open rates. Having a great subject line might get you a 5 to 15% boost on some emails, or you have a one-off promo email that doubles your normal open rate for a specific send. Maybe you change your email segmentation strategy and you can go from 5 to 20% open rates. All of these are great ways that can collectively add up and create an increase. But nothing that we've seen or tried provides a boost in open rates like the tool I'm going to show you here. People have seen up to a 500% increase in their open rates. It's a tool called Inbox Mailers. They let you know when your subscribers are in their inbox so you can trigger an automated email to them while they're actively reading their emails. Why does that matter? Well, if you can get an email to a user while they're actually reading through their emails, you'll get an open rate of 50 to 70% like clockwork. The reason is that you're tapping into a common human behavior that most people do when they check their email. Click the link below and I'll tell you all about that behavior.